This is just an update video to let you know that I'm still working on my next project video. I'll upload it as soon as I can. In the meantime, I would like to thank all of my viewers, especially those of you who have subscribed. This channel has been constantly growing because of all of you. I also want everybody to know that I appreciate all of the feedback that I've received from each of my videos, and I'll be trying to make my videos and projects better from these tips and ideas that you've shared. I have created these social media accounts where I will try to post some progress updates for my upcoming videos. And also, for anybody that has created something inspired by my projects, I would love to see any pictures or videos that you would like to share. Again, thank you everyone for watching, thanks for the comments and tips, and stay tuned for my upcoming video.